So hello guys, today I'll show you how to format your disk and download and install Windows 10 on it, and how to make some partitions and some accounts. So let's go. First one, we need to plug this computer on. You need the one bootable USB device in which you will use. There's some keyboard. You need to press F10, F11, depends of computer, or F2, just to get into the BIOS and to do a boot order. We will wait for the computer to power on. So computer is a little bit old. My hands are really shaking.